And said, now that we know what financial planning is, now we need to understand, like, how do we start?
Totally. So listen, I think we have to remember that we're all on our own journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Because sometimes, people look at social media and they start comparing themselves to their coworkers or to, influencers and the like. And so it's really easy to get discouraged and think, oh my goodness, I should be way further than I am currently, and just kind of get overwhelmed and discouraged and not know where to start. But I think it's all about baby steps, and take a look at where you are today, right? Understand your budget. That's kind of the basic thing that we all need to understand: how much money is coming into
Mm,
our household and how much money is going out the door, and start putting in place things that make sense for your family, right? So if you're working for a corporation, look at the benefits that you have through work.
mm.
So if you have a 401k, you might have a match through your employer. Take advantage of that. Take a look at all the other benefits you have, such as HSAs, FSAs. Those are tax advantaged ways to save for the future.
That's right.
And then, just start learning more and more about your personal finances. And when you get to a point where you're like, okay, I'm ready to take that next step, talk to a financial planner. I promise we're not that scary.
Right. In fact, y'all, she's very approachable and easy to talk to. I
Thank
love that you incorporate a little bit of tax planning into it too,
you.
because literally that's what it's all about. It's you can't look
Yes.
at one aspect of financial planning and not consider the tax planning aspect of it as well,
Right.
because both of those strategies and plans are going to kind of work together, especially if you want
Mhm.
to optimize, like you said, your money.